Welcome to 2-Minute Science Lesson with Mr. Larson. Today we're going to talk about different types of plate boundaries that's associated with plate tectonics. The first type of boundary that we get is called a convergent boundary. And a convergent boundary is when you end up having plates that are moving together. When you get plates moving together, different things can happen. You can get continents running into continents. That will create giant mountain ranges. You can also get things called subduction zones when you end up getting an ocean plate that actually goes underneath a continental plate. And this can actually cause things like volcanoes and other things to actually form on that continental plate. Oceans can also subduct underneath other ocean plates. We also get divergent boundaries. Divergent boundaries are boundaries that are pulling apart. A lot of times this is going to create a rift. A rift is an opening in the ground, and you're also going to get a lot of times a mid-ocean ridge. So in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, for example, there is a giant ridge where the ocean is actually moving apart from each other called seafloor spreading. The next type is a transform boundary. If we were to look at a map view of this type of boundary, you would end up seeing that you will get some sort of offset as plates move like this. And they just move past each other. And a lot of times you'll find things like offset rows, maybe a fence that's been offset. Overall, these are the main types. And just remember that the movement that is being driven here is convection within the asthenosphere, or the mantle, where things are actually moving around and driving that lithosphere apart.